Hi there, my name is Patrick Ferner with TransformingSad.com. This free course is designed as a supplement to the 8-week Transforming SAD course. This free health anxiety course is a complete MBCT health anxiety course. This course will give you all of the tools you need to quickly overcome your health anxiety. This is a high-quality course that would sell for hundreds of dollars online. And I realize that some of you might not have the money to invest in a health anxiety course like this. So I wanted to help people that may not be able to afford one of my paid courses. So that's why I'm doing this series, because I genuinely, deeply care about people, and I want to help as many people as I possibly can. So I know that if you complete this course and do the work, do the worksheets and the journal prompts, that this program, along with the worksheets and the journal prompts, has the power to transform your life, especially when it comes to transforming your health anxiety, because that is something that I suffered with for many years. And once I was able to overcome my health anxiety, it literally transformed my life. And I want to help transform your life too. All right, so if you're here watching this, it probably means that you're tired of living under constant shadow of health anxiety. So you might feel trapped in a cycle of symptom checking, Googling, doctor visits, and fear, even when deep down you know exactly what it is. It's being caused by anxiety, not illness, that's driving your panic. I see you. I have lived it too. And I've created this 12-week course to help you break free using the tools that actually work. And these tools helped me overcome my health anxiety. So now this is not just a feel-good wellness course. It's a powerful evidence-based method called MBCT, or mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. Now, who is this course for? This course is for anyone that constantly obsesses with thoughts about their health, people who constantly scan their bodies for signs of illness. This course is perfect for people that often ask themselves, what if I am sick? Now, if you go and see the doctor at the slightest discomfort and often find yourself Googling symptoms, then this course will help you as well. So what will you get from this course? In this course, you will learn how to apply strategies to calm your nervous system anytime, anywhere. Finally, step out of the fear spiral, learn how to trust your body again, and discover ways to find lasting peace, even with uncertainty. So before we dive into the weekly lessons, I want to give you a quick introduction to the why behind this course and why it works so well for people just like you. So MBCT was originally developed by psychologists to help prevent depression relapses, but here's what they discovered. It's incredibly effective for anxiety too, especially health anxiety, because it teaches you a new way to relate to your thoughts. Instead of trying to stop anxious thoughts, MBCT helps you do something even more powerful. You learn to see through your thoughts clearly, you stay grounded in the present moment, and you break the loop of obsessive fear, worry, body scanning, and symptom checking. You shift your relationship to fear. In other words, it trains your mind to stop running down the "what if I'm sick" spiral and start resting in the what's actually real right here, right now. How this course uses MBCT. Every week of this 12-week journey is designed around MBCT principles with added tools and insights that are specifically tailored to health anxiety. You will learn that you don't have to fix your thoughts. Instead, you simply learn how to relate to them differently. And here's how we do it. Mindfulness practices that will help you gently observe anxious thoughts without getting pulled in. Body awareness meditations that help rewire your brain to feel safe in your body again. Cognitive tools to shift your relationship with fear and uncertainty. Compassion-based journaling to heal the inner critic that fuels your anxiety. And real-life strategies to help you respond to triggers with calm, clarity, and confidence. You don't have to fix your thoughts. You'll learn how to change the way you relate with them. And that is what changes everything. The tools you will learn in this course aren't just ideas. They're grounded in research. MBCT has been shown in clinical studies to reduce anxiety and obsessive thinking, lower cortisol and stress levels, decrease rumination, increase emotional resilience, and even prevent relapses in anxiety and depression. So if you suffer with health anxiety and depression, I think that this course will be very valuable for you. Now, I've personally taken these methods and adapted them for people struggling with health anxiety and added everything I wish I had when I was going through it myself. I've combined the power of MBCT with my own personal experience with overcoming and transforming the way I deal with chronic health anxiety into this simple yet powerful free course. This course specifically deals with the following: health anxiety, intrusive thoughts, symptom ghouling, and fear of illness or even fear of death. You will learn how to be kind and compassionate with yourself while you heal your health anxiety. And final words before we begin. So whether you've been battling health anxiety for years or just recently started struggling, know this: you are not broken. You don't have to live in fear forever. And yes, you can get better. This course isn't a quick fix, but it is a powerful and lasting shift in how you think, feel, and heal. So take a deep breath. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. You are in the right place. And I'm honored to walk this path with you. This free health anxiety course is a powerful complement to the 8-week Transforming SAD course. Now, SAD stands for stress, anxiety, and depression. The amazing course on transformingsad.com is where you can work with me one-on-one or in a group coaching session or self-paced tutorial. So if you have any questions, email me at transformingsad@gmail.com. So once again, welcome to this free health anxiety course. Let me teach you how to retrain your mind, calm your body, and reclaim your life. So up next, week 1, understanding health anxiety, and I will see you soon.